Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy text easily from a photo directly on the POCO X7 Pro. No third-party apps needed, no complicated steps. You can copy text from document, notes, books, or any image in just a few seconds. Okay, let's get started. POCO X7 Pro already has a built-in feature that can recognize and extract text from images, and this feature is available directly from the search menu on the home screen, so it's very fast and practical for daily use. This search feature, this one, first just tap on this search feature like this, and then just tap on the camera icon, this one, inside the search bar like this, and then after that just tap on recognize text, just choose this feature, and after that now just take a photo of document or text that you want to copy. You can scan notes, books, or maybe printed documents, or even text from another phone screen, for example like this. Like this, as you can see, the text is automatically extracted on your screen like this. And then from here you can simply tap on copy if you want to copy the text, and then now you can paste the text anywhere that you like maybe WhatsApp, Notes, Google Docs, or anywhere else. Or you can also translate it to another language like this. Like this, it automatically translate the text like this, and then you can also copy again and just paste it anywhere that you want. And so yeah, that's how easy it is to copy text from photos on the POCO X7 Pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.